Have you ever thought that the way you clean your home could be affecting your luck? Or that certain overlooked spots might be inviting financial struggles and negativity into your life? According to Buddhist teachings, how we maintain our living spaces directly impacts our lives, both spiritually and materially. Cleaning isn't just about tidying up, it's about creating an environment that welcomes prosperity and wards off bad luck. In today's video, we're diving into the 10 common cleaning mistakes that might be attracting poverty and bad luck into your home and how to fix them. Stick around, because these tips might just change your life. 1. Ignoring the entrance where wealth and luck enter and exit. The entrance to your home is more than just a door, it's a gateway for energy, both positive and negative. Buddhist teachings emphasize that this space should be kept clean and welcoming, as it represents the entry point for good fortune. But what happens when this area is neglected? Dust, clutter, and debris build up, creating stagnant energy that blocks wealth and opportunity from coming in. How to fix it? Start by sweeping and wiping down the entrance area regularly. Ensure there's no clutter blocking the pathway, like shoes piling up near the door or old mats collecting dust. Consider adding a small potted plant or a symbol of welcome, such as a clean, inviting doormat. This simple change can shift the energy flow, opening your home to prosperity. 2. Letting dust accumulate. Dust as a symbol of neglect. Dust isn't just unsightly, it symbolizes stagnation and neglect, which in Buddhist philosophy is associated with negative energy. Letting dust accumulate not only dulls the appearance of your home, but also invites a cloud of dust into your financial and personal life. This mistake can hinder financial growth and well-being. How to fix it? Dusting should become a regular practice, not just a sporadic task. Focus on often missed spots like ceiling fans, light fixtures, and the tops of cabinets. Use a microfiber cloth to trap dust rather than spreading it around. Set a schedule, dusting once or twice a week, and make sure you're thorough. As you clear the dust, visualize yourself clearing out any financial blockages or personal hindrances as well. 3. Ignoring corners. The accumulation of negative energy. In Buddhist practice, corners are believed to hold on to negative energy, especially when left untouched. Think of the dusty, cluttered corners of your home. These hidden spots are harboring stagnant, stuck energy. When you don't clean these areas, you're inviting bad fortune to gather and remain. How to fix it? Grab a broom or a vacuum with an extension and thoroughly clean the corners of every room. Go into these spaces with intention, focusing on clearing out old energy and inviting freshness. You might even place a small plant in the corner to keep the energy flow active. When corners are clean and clear, your home's energy becomes more balanced and welcoming. 4. Leaving dirty dishes overnight. A recipe for bad luck. Leaving dirty dishes in the sink might seem harmless after a long day, but in Buddhist teachings, it's considered an invitation for bad fortune. Dirty dishes not only attract pests, but also symbolize unfinished business and accumulated burdens, blocking the flow of prosperity and harmony. How to fix it? Make it a habit to wash your dishes after every meal, especially before going to bed. A clean kitchen at night invites a fresh start in the morning, free from yesterday's troubles. If washing every dish right away feels overwhelming, rinse them thoroughly and stack them neatly until you have time to wash them properly. Even this small act can foster a sense of completion and readiness to welcome positive energy. 5. Ignoring windows. Obstructing light and positive energy. Windows symbolize the eyes of the home and serve as a passage for natural light, which is essential for uplifting energy. But when windows are dusty, cloudy, or streaked with grime, they not only block light but also dull the spiritual and material vitality within your home. How to fix it? Clean your windows regularly, inside and out. This will allow sunlight to fill your rooms, which not only brightens up your space but also lifts the energy. As you wipe away dirt, imagine removing any blockages to your life's clarity and fortune. Clean windows can enhance the flow of abundance and positivity, allowing you to see opportunities clearly. 6. Keeping broken items. Holding on to negative energy. Broken items around the house symbolize broken energy pathways and blockages, according to Buddhist beliefs. These objects carry the energy of incompletion, which can seep into your life and prevent you from moving forward financially or emotionally. Keeping them invites stagnation and misfortune. How to fix it? Declutter your home of anything that's broken, cracked, or chipped. Either repair these items or let them go. When you release broken items, you're symbolically clearing out obstacles in your life. Each item you discard creates space for something new and positive to come into your life, enhancing the flow of prosperity. 7. Overlooking cluttered storage space is a wealth obstacle. It's easy to ignore storage spaces like closets, basements, and attics, but Buddhist teachings suggest that clutter in these areas represents untapped wealth and energy that's lying dormant. Neglecting these spaces can attract poverty, as it symbolizes hoarding rather than sharing abundance. How to fix it? Declutter your storage areas and only keep what you truly need. Take time to organize these spaces, putting essential items within reach and discarding what no longer serves you. This practice aligns with the Buddhist principle of non-attachment, making room for fresh, positive energy and allowing wealth to circulate freely. 8. Forgetting to empty trash regularly, symbolizing waste. Keeping trash in your home longer than necessary can trap stagnant energy, signifying waste and attracting negativity. Buddhist teachings often emphasize cleanliness as a form of respect to one's space, and leaving trash to accumulate disrupts this harmony. How to fix it? Make it a daily practice to empty your trash bins, especially the kitchen bin, as food waste can be particularly energy draining. Each time you take out the trash, envision removing unwanted thoughts, negative feelings, and financial blocks. A fresh, clean environment invites more luck and positive energy into your home. 9. Neglecting the bathroom, draining away wealth. In Feng Shui, which shares many principles with Buddhist teachings, bathrooms are seen as places where energy can drain away. When neglected, bathrooms can become sources of negative energy, impacting health, finances, and overall well-being. How to fix it? Keep your bathroom clean and dry. Fix leaky faucets, as dripping water symbolizes money draining away. Ensure your bathroom mirrors are spotless and that the space feels fresh. Even something as simple as adding a green plant can uplift the energy in this area. Maintaining a clean bathroom can help in retaining positive energy and preventing wealth from draining away. 10. Overlooking the bedroom, rest and rejuvenation for financial abundance. The bedroom is where we recharge, and a cluttered, dirty bedroom can disrupt sleep and invite negative energy. Buddhist teachings emphasize rest as a cornerstone of health and prosperity. When your bedroom is disorganized, you're unknowingly blocking the flow of abundance in your life. How to fix it? Keep your bedroom free from clutter, especially under the bed, where dust and unused items can accumulate. Make your bed every morning and keep the space peaceful and clean. Invest in good quality bedding and open the windows to air out the room regularly. When your bedroom is in harmony, you invite restful energy that aligns with financial growth and personal well-being. In Buddhist teachings, a clean and mindful home reflects inner harmony and attracts positive energy, wealth, and good fortune. By addressing these 10 common cleaning mistakes, you're not just tidying up your space, you're also opening pathways for abundance and prosperity. Every action, from dusting to decluttering, is a step toward creating a space that nurtures and uplifts you. Remember, cleanliness is not merely a chore, it's a way to honor your environment and cultivate a life that resonates with positivity, wealth, and peace. By cleaning with intention and awareness, you're inviting not just material wealth, but also a deeper, more fulfilling sense of well-being.